Hello everyone, welcome back to Technology Innovation Hub. So it's going to be the 15th session on achieving greater career height. Let me share the screen. Yeah, now I think you can remember the previous slide that we were discussing, right? So the IT the career mapping, right? Mapping the academic, industry and business domain, right? And finally we mentioned always remember the IT piece, right? That is what the last one was. So the IT piece, right? Let's continue from there. This is what we were discussing. So always remember the IT piece in the career portal. It's very important because, as I mentioned in the last session as well, you cannot do anything without IT like now, right? It is always in it. So let's take a look at the most important and relevant tools for each and every stream, right? I have selected mainly 3 streams. Then you get the idea about what I'm trying to say here. So the other streams, the resources who are in other streams as well can continue the same thing. So the first one is really IT for engineering. So this is in mathematical field, right? So you click here. Now I have selected one of the fields, aerospace engineering. So then you need to think now, I think you may remember our previous analysis, we categorize under each stream the most demanding fields. So aerospace was one of them. And for aerospace, if you take a look at IT, relevant applications, which is in use in the software industry, right? Now let's click link 1 and see. So it takes to Penn State, Information Science and Technology for Aerospace Engineering. So just take a look at it, what they're trying to say here, right? And so that is one of the links, right? Information Science and Technology for Aerospace Engineering, right? Now there are other one, let me close this. Other one, what we have here is for aerospace engineering, the second one, the PACE. Again, you can go ahead and see there. If you go to this place, and there are very big details here in this site, which is relevant for how IT is going to get related for aerospace engineering, right? So even if you go down product configuration, if you click one of those things, product configuration, and how the software is involved in that, it is explained in detail there. Right, smart digital transformation, visual configuration using real 3D, right, AR, auto, like I just go through it. So Airbus 350, how these configurations are happening, and just go through it all on IT part is very heavily involved there. Yeah, so that is the second link. And process, if I go to the third one, and third link is about, it is again from Planning Tank, top software for software every aerospace engineering should know about. So it is recommended for every aerospace engineer should know about. So if you go down, you can get the list software for aerospace engineers. So it's going from N topology, and likewise you can see OpenVSP, one of the most popular. SharkCAD also same, and Cashier and Inventor, ADS, SolidWorks, yeah. So just go through it. They are giving some details analysis as well, right? And if you click these links, and again you can go Inventor, like, so it will take you to the site. So just take a look at those things, and you can get the trial and software, and just see what is happening there. And others also, you can Aeropack plugin, that's a plugin, and so just take a look at it. Cashier, right? So likewise, just visit there and take a look at it, how the things are going to be. Okay? So that's for that first field, the aerospace. Then comes, I have selected another one on engineering, architecting. designing, visualization, and also if you take a look at the IT environment in the first link, top designing engineering software, top 50 best designing tools, and app for engineering professionals. Right? Just take a look at those things as well, right? This is for home architecting plus engineering, and yes, again, cashier is there, and because is it the W3D and okay, make designer, a lot of things, right? Basic CAD, right? It's big CAD, not basic. Basic CAD is another one, right? The solid edge, Rhino, okay, solid base. Just take a look at those things, right? Top solid design and like us. So these are one of the popular ones in the world, right? Pantran is that. And the second one, I think this is for visualization experts, building visualization, and then architects should visualize the design person, right? What is in the project, he should be able to visualize. 13 best architect apps. Yes, this is mainly for that. Yeah, I had 2021, and let us video, right, and other things also there, right? SketchUp, Mopio Trace, Mopio Trace, right? Mopio Trace, that's how it's pronounced, right? And Archi, so yes, Graphisoft, BMX, you can Procreate, right? Just take a look at those things. Magic Plan, likewise. Autodesk format, right? So likewise. So just take a look at those. So the idea here is for you to give an awareness of the software tools which are available for your career. And because IT part always get links in any of these career portals. So let's continue. The second one, it comes to the biomedical. Right? So that is for medical science or biology. And the first link it says, actually, I think the focus here initially for students, for them to, the tool support for their designing and study purposes, right? You can see this is Mind the Graph. So this site find scientific illustration. So you can find a lot of images that you want while you studying, right? So you can just click here and it will take you that image. Like this, right? So you can use it and you can join them free and so different angles. Even our development shape cut is loading at the moment. Right? So likewise, so many useful images for you to study, right? It is available. That is Mind the Graph. Gallery, templates, a lot of things are there, and there are free things. I don't need to pay all this. And you can see cardiology and a lot of other things, circularity, right? Categories are there, right? So you can see okay, circulation process. So you can see the graph and all, right? The machine, right? So you can, you can simulate it outside the heart, right? By connecting to a machine, right? You know that, right? Circulation. Okay, so that is that tool. And then we have another one, link number 2 for biomedical. This is also again server.com, right? Smartserver.com. Smartserver.com again will give you like anatomy and the human body, cellular biology, right? So if you click here and you have to select intercellular components. So this is within the cell and all, right? So if you just click here, again it will load the relevant image. Other results like a protein and all. So you can, this is at the study level, this is fine, right? This is the kind of study aid for drawing and all of those things. So likewise. A lot of things are here, right? And you can click and find out more details, right? That is, we have videos as well, right? Yes, tutorial and videos, right? So, yeah, and maybe that is about their site, but there were some videos. So So that is a smartserver.home, right? So human anatomy, right? So if I say digestive systems, and let's say I want to see the stomach digestion, right? So you can see, you can select the tools, and likewise is given very detailed. Okay. So that is that. Then the link number 3, I think that's another tool, that is Biometer, no? Biorender. Biorender, so that is also another visualization tool where you can use for drawings. So you can see thousands of icons are there, right? And drag and drop method. So I just have to sign up for free, and you can try it out, right? So icon library, a lot of things are free here. You can see cell type, cell structure, very useful things. So that is that for studying purposes. And here we go, the industrial aspect, the biology, the first one, that is one of the streams, like aerospace and medical field. Biology is one of the streams. But to take a look at the link, and you will see again 30 must-have biology apps and tools. You can see again biointeractive, probe decision, and Khan Academy, right? ICL Lab, Kitable, National Geographic Kids, right? So Proctor, decision again, okay. There are 2 different scopes, right? That's why one here, right? I got body, right? So if I just click here, one of those things, right? So you'll see a lot of these tools are free, right? Let it load. Yeah, so it's easy, rotatable and known, and you can select the appearance like this, right? So likewise, right? And change it like that, right? So in medical field, a lot of resources knows these things, but again, if you are not aware, just get familiar with these tools, computer applications for biology, right? So let's go to next link, and link number 2, it is for biological software tools. Yeah, now this is software tools for biology. You can see Biofur, MATLAB, Manfold, right? R project, right? So industry applications, again, you can click here, MATLAB, select website, MATLAB, select whatever specific your SAGE region, right? Territory and SAGE region. Okay, you can go to India site, right? So you can get a free trial there. So again, just take a look at it, right? So that is just one thing I just clicked. Microarray data analysis visualization, data, okay. So just take a look at those tools, and that is for biology. Then comes the chemistry. For chemistry field, there's another stream there under biomedical, link 1, right? It goes for, Captera as searching, as giving the most popular chemistry tools. And so this is for 2021. If you do the search, you can see HSC chemistry, chip connector, fine molecule, tree protect, e-logger, Coretti, data core, ERP, biograph. Okay, so a lot of things are there. Lab collector, okay. SDN suite, chemistry software, okay. Just take a look at it. Software, use software for chemistry field, right? And the link 2 again, we have another one. Here, this is from chemistry guide, right? Chemistry guide.org, right? Again, it will give you most popular tools. Chemistry, right? So you can take a look at it again. 3D, right? So just take a look at it. I'm not going to click one by one and show you. I think idea is clear. And yes, so that is for chemistry. Link 3 also, we already went to link 2, right? Then comes the other field, commerce. for the business field, right? So in business, let's take a look at first one, link one, in general. Yeah, I think it's all about ERP, Enterprise Resource Plan Software, because in business aspects, organizations, enterprise, you had to look at the organization as enterprise and automate it. Because we need to have the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. There are a lot of inside the organization, we have different business units, so we need to automate them with IT. So ERP will come into place to do that, the business architecture, business processes and all, right? IS, IT, automation, and technology architecture, and a lot of things are there. Anyway, so as in commerce, so since you are dealing with business, you are trying to solve problems related to business, right? So you must be aware of these automation tools, ERP tools, right? So this is just a common introduction, but if you go down, I think, yeah, there's a comparison. As of now, what are the most popular ERP software, right? SAP is there, Oracle, NetSuite, Sage, Info, and IFS likewise, right? So just take a look at it. Just get an idea what is ERP and what it does do and what it will do. You have the inventory management, HR management, human capital management, right? And ledger management, accounting, a lot of things are there. There are a lot of modules in ERP. So let's go to the second link as well. I think there is also another ERP link, I'm guessing. Yeah, best ERP comparison. So Oracle is, I think, leading there as per them, Select Hub, right? And then comes SAP Sage is third. Oh, IFS has gone to last there, right? So, and we have Microsoft Dynamics. Yeah, so just take a look at what are those as well, the ERP software, right? And then comes the third one. That is also, I just want to make you familiar with ERP applications. You should have some hands-on, right? Right after your graduation, you need to, in the industry, you need to get familiar with these things and get some certifications, professional certifications under these, right? Best ERP system for your business. Again, a comparison in order. What are the 15 best ERP in order, right? Oracle NetSuite is first, so right? ERP, like, yes. NetSuite Oracle ERP is also there, and NetSuite is also from Oracle, right? Yeah, so Microsoft Dynamics, that is Microsoft SAP is there. Okay, NetSuite ERP, number one in ERP software. So anyway, just do your analysis and reasons for implementing ERP. So likewise, yeah, get your knowledge on this. 15 best ERP applications 2021. Yeah, okay, NetSuite is leading. So four is the applications. All right. So the details are here and just right. So just just go through it and get the understand. Right. That is general ERP knowledge. Then comes the relevant streams under commerce field. First thing is entrepreneurship. For entrepreneurship again, right? You have these tools, which is a must, right? You have to be aware, right? If you are going to heading to entrepreneurship, and these are the IT tools, this comes into assistant, automation of your manual work. 20 best entrepreneurship 2021, right? So what are the best things you can see? Then few, Flavio, yeah. You can see Spa, right? And it is, I think it is in category. Yeah. This is for sales and marketing apps, entrepreneurs, right? So there are categories, no, right? And productivity apps for entrepreneurs, right? In the same box. Then again, content creation, the CMS, like, right? Content management systems, right? Popular and praise, RAS, right? And unfold improvement entrepreneur app, self improvement, right? Blinkist, Luna, right? So likewise, you can visit them and take a look, get in the right mode to, yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is again, yeah, just take a look at behind Luna and likewise, yeah. You can visit them, right? Visit them because here a lot of things I just clicked there, right? And if you click Blinkist also, self-improvement entrepreneur software, right? Yeah, Blinkist, the website, okay, right. Start your pre-run. Understand books, products in 15 minutes. Okay. Be more knowledgeable, be more successful, be more healthier, be a better parent, be happier, be your best self. Okay. So that is about self management. So that's why self-improvement entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, how do you improve yourself, right? Self-management. So look at those subtasks as well. To go down further, and we have up next business management. So for business management, let's click link 1, right? In link 1, we have 18 business management software you should be using today, right? So if you are heading in business management side in commerce field, these are the useful IT applications, right? So 18 business management software, Proof Hub, right? And Lodes, you can see Studio Cloud, Timely, and making teams quick. So likewise, you can visit those one by one, right? User friendly, okay? Yes. And we have more, right? And Soho One, Foro, and IDE Net, right? Odo and NetSuite also there, right? Time Camp, Bitrix 24, Aptio, Honeybook. So anyway, those are going to be business management software. Just take a look at it, click one by one and get into that and get an understanding the industry usage of those softwares. Right? And the link to this also will take you to software testing here, the 10 best business management software in 2021 selective tools, top selective tools, right? So two different scopes. The previous one was one scope. This is another scope, right? And you can see again Monday.com, Studio Creative, right? Nitty, Oracle NetSuite, HubSpot, Sage. So and you can see North America, likewise, there's a comparison chart. No, then there's a prediction as well up to 2025. Market by business process. Okay. So just take a look at those as well. List of best business management software, right? You can see again bespoke category platform. Yeah, deployment. Okay. Monday.com is more large business, so likewise, just take a look at those as well. There are a lot of details. I think they're going, each and every software, there's a small, you get a small details there, right? So just take a look at, you can just go to the site and see. Other than that, here also they are giving that information. Right. Let's go to the other one. That is your business management. Then comes accounting. The last one is accounting. Right? So accounting link 1, the IT applications for accounting. You can see best accounting software and invoice generators. Right? Accounting software invoice generator for 2021. QuickBooks. You can see, right? QuickBooks, Oracle NetSuite. Yeah, Soho Books. 00, right? So we can take a look at it, and the details are there. Best accounting software providers, FreshBooks also there, and yes, GoDaddy, Wave Financial, and yes, the comparison also there. Compare our best picks, right? So just take a look at it, right? And some details also there. You can go to their sites and see, but here this particular site is business news daily. Right, let's close it here, and so that is the second one, software. Okay, that is the first one for accounting. There's a second link. Let's take a look at that one as well. That is software suggest. From software suggest, it says best accounting software solution for 2021, right? So again, Soho Books is coming, Sage Business Cloud Accounting, Oracle NetSuite ERP, Melio, right? So Prime, and again FreshBooks, QuickBooks, SAP Financials. Just take a look at those things. Right? And so I just gave an overview of the softwares, right? IT components, IT involvement in each and every field.
So just to give an awareness, but your task is as per your relevance for you, right? If you are in biomedical, just take a look at in more details about those IT applications, because you must have the awareness on IT in whatever field. I think it's time to end the session. In this session, I'll meet you soon back in the next session. Have a great day. Bye bye.